and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a little wig show and tell of the wig that I am wearing right now, this beautiful blonde wig. So if you are interested in hearing some details about this wig, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so again, welcome back to my channel. This is the wig that we are going to be talking about today. So this wig is another Sensationnel wig, and she's from their Sheer Muse line, from the Empress Lace Wig family, and the style name is Laisha. It may be Laisha, but we're gonna call her Laisha because it rolls off the tongue a little bit better. And the color is in a light auburn ombre. It does have ear to ear lace, and it came with baby hairs. Now, though you saw the baby hairs, them wasn't baby hairs, those was baby bangs, but I digress. And then they were fighting me back. We're gonna get into it. So this is Miss Laisha in the light auburn ombre, and I must say this color is beautiful. It is really gorgeous, especially against my skin tone. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. So I've really been into the browns and the blondes and those types of colors as we've moved into the fall. I'm not one to typically wear other colors besides natural colors, so now that I'm wanting to play around with, this is really pretty. But now that I'm wanting to play around with in other colors, I prefer to play around in the synthetic wigs, you know, rather than spending bigger coins on the virgin hair and dyeing it or buying it. A $200 wig that's already colored. You know, it's a lot safer to buy a $30 synthetic wig and play around for a little bit, you know, when I know I'm just gonna toss it in a little while. So yeah, so that's why I got these couple of wigs, and I gotta tell you, it seems like it was a pretty well spent $30, if I may say so myself, because she's cute. Yes. So a little bit more about the color. So I mentioned that the color is a light auburn ombre, and the ombre is from ear to ear and all throughout the dark roots rather. The dark roots are from ear to ear and all the way throughout the wig, which is really, really nice. I think the style of this wig is gorgeous, and it's from their sheer muse line. So it's supposed to have a salon inspired cut and color, so that's why I guess this color is so poppin'. It says on this stock card, be your own muse, cutting edge looks for the girl who's not afraid to live on the edge. Meet Laisha, or should we say Miss Long Hair Don't Care. Oh, sensational, y'all trying to be cute. She knows how to make an entrance with her effortless waist length waves. Show up and glow up with Laisha. I think that is super cute how they introduced her, have a whole little style description. I'm here for it. You know, you can kind of channel, you know, what kind of vibe you're supposed to be giving with this wig, and she's giving it to me. She's giving it to me. Okay, so Miss Laisha does have a really good amount of parting space. That parting space is nice and long, and it looks pretty decent. I didn't pluck it at all, but I think I would go in and just widen it just a little bit. But as it came, it doesn't look bad at all. These baby bangs, yes. I know y'all saw the clip before this when I was putting the wig on, and sensational. You really don't have to give us that much bangs. You don't. And that's nice, so people can customize them, but I just can't imagine anybody who would use all them baby hairs. And then it was like the baby hairs that I didn't want to use, I was trying to tuck them away or brush them back, and they were like sticking back up. Like, who has time for that? So I laid these ones down a little bit, did a little bit of swoop to swoops, and I'm not the best with baby hairs. I guess it looks okay. I actually don't care for how this, we ain't gonna get into it. This is what we're working with today, okay? And y'all just gonna deal with it. This is what it is. So this is what the style is like. I think that the style is very, very pretty. I typically don't wear a middle part, and this is a middle part wig, but for some reason I feel like with this length and style and color in the middle part, for some reason it's really kind of working with me. I actually think it looks really good on me, but you can see most of it here. Let me stand up really quick so you can see how long you still can't see how long she is. This is long. She's down to my waist. As I said, it did say waist length. Okay, so to me, she is I really like how the hair feels. It's not too silky. It's not a yucky texture, but it's like somewhere in between, and it looks and feels really nice and really natural. And I say that comparatively speaking to the last wig I just tried on from Sensationnel. But this is the wig that I just reviewed, and I don't know if you can tell the difference, but to me, this wig, what's her name? She is the Dashley Lace Unit 7, and she looks a lot more synthetic. Like, this is synthetic, but she looks a lot more synthetic than she does. I don't know if that makes any sense. She's really, really silky too, and this one is definitely not as silky as this, so definitely like this wig better. I don't know if you could tell. But since she came to join the party, I also do want to kind of give you a comparison of the colors. So I don't know if you guys kind of go back and forth sometimes with these colors that aren't named with the traditional number system that they use for the colors of wigs. So you might be online and looking for a certain type of brown or a certain type of blonde, and it might be kind of hard to tell what's going to be what. So just for your comparison, since I have them both here, this is the Dashley Lace Unit 7 in the color Money Piece Hazel, and this is my Laisha wig in the color Light Auburn Ombre. So just to kind of give you an idea of the difference in these colors side by side. You're welcome. Okay guys, so I think that about sums it up for this wig. Just wanted to kind of give you guys an idea of what she looks like. She is extremely pretty. I love this wig. Like, I definitely think I'm going to go ahead and get her in a natural color as well, because this style, this length, and the texture of this wig is all really, really nice. I would love to have this in a natural color as well. So this is Miss Laisha from the Sheer Muse line from Sensational, and I hope you guys like her, because I love her. So, you know, let me know down in the comments how you guys feel about her, what you think about this color and about this style. And that's about it, guys. I'm going to wrap this video up, so please make sure that you hit that subscribe button before you take off, and hit that like button, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.